Okay, this is the file, and I'm logging into system, and I'm making use of existing catalog, and I'm creating info representative ID, say like 98, and this is representative ID, and create characteristics and length as fine, activate this one. Come back. Now I'm creating a catalog for key figures, and this is IoT key. This is catalog for key. Then click on create. Then click on create and activate this one and come back, and we have catalog for key. Now I am creating salary 98, salary, and I am making this one as INR. Activate this one and come back, making this, I'm creating one more info object, tag 98, tag, make it with currency INR, and activate, come back. Now you have two key figures and one characteristic info object. Then go to the info provider, select one of the info areas and create DSO. So this is, and keep my DSO ODS per process chain, and click on create, and here you need to include CP G ref ID 98, click on enter, and you need to include data field G ref ID G star 98 and G tag 98. Then click on continue and activate. Now I would like to show you setting. Activation data automatically is not set, and we are doing this through process chain. Okay, and come back. Now you have ODS ready. Then you need to create application component and import tools. I'm making use of this one, and right click and create info source, and this is PC tran data, PC tran info source. I'm copying this one and let me assign it to the data source. Now I am coming up with info office. Reader ID 98, GSAN 98, GTAG 98, and 0 record. Then come down and come to transfer to propose this and activate. Now come back. Create update rules. Go to info provider and right click and create update rules and give info, source name and activate. Then come back. Now you have ODS ready and data flow is ready. Then go to the info source, select your info source and expand it. You can find the source system, right click that one and create info package. Name of the file. I am selecting name of the file. Rep_tran data. And now this is manual approach. Client workstation you cannot perform background. Okay. And .csv I am giving comma and run go for preview. Now finally these records will be started. Simulation is working fine. Then close this one. This is manual step. Clicking on start immediately. And 3 records are loaded and this is also manual step. Now the data is in new data table only. If you want to activate and transfer it to the active data table and change of table, again you need to activate. This is also manual step. Select this one, start. You can see the respective job in lesson 37. Job name star means all. And select any active jobs are there or not. Only select active. So I think it's finished. ODS activation, ODS okay, the job is finished. So now come back to here and refresh it, it's turned into green. Now ODS is having entries in active data table, means ODS is reportable. Number of entries, you can see 3, these 3 records are reportable. Reportable means this particular request which is having 3 records is reportable. Now this is manual approach, and if you want to automate this approach, you need to create process chain. So to do that, go to RSQC and you need to create process chain, and this is PC plus ODS and transaction data. And before that, I would like to change my info package, external data, application server, then go to name of the user, A11, and you have this directory. I have already placed web client data file here. prime data. Okay, prime data dot csv and copy the name. Okay, now it is set the background. You can select either this, like this. Okay, in this fact also you can select, otherwise you can select like this. No, there won't be any problem. And application server, and the file is I am calling from application server, and all other settings are same. Okay, here also you can do the preview one more time. So now it is getting the data perfectly and loading the data into ODS object perfectly from application server. Then close this one, close this one. Now come back to process chain. Now I am creating process chain. This is process chain for ODS. Click on continue. And whenever you create process chain, you need to create start process chain. Okay, this is start ODS load. Whenever you work in real time, you need to create all these technical names with standard naming convention. Okay, start ODS load. Then click on continue and change selection. And I am making this one as an immediate one and save it. And if you want to have some periodic value, select the periodic job, and I am selecting for every 10 minutes. In real time you can see every day basis. Okay, every day is extracted data. So most of the chains are set as a periodic job only, and most of the chains will be set as one every day periodic, daily day. Yes. Periodic jobs maximum daily once also. Okay, ये setting करता हमारा. 24 times or for an hour then we will go for hourly. You can say daily. Most of the cases, yes, we do daily. Daily only once it is going to work. Okay. So in real time we are going to select this one. On daily basis, periodic job gets the data from the source system and loads the data into BW. We won't set this as other periodic jobs most of the time. Then, for our example, I am clicking on for every 10 minutes and select this one, and again select this one, and select save this one, and come back and insert start process file. Now you have start process type here and click on process type so that you can get execute IP. I am selecting execute IP, double click on this, and from here you can see this is your IP technical name, and go for F4 and find for it PC client. This is your IP, and now insert the IP as a process type. You are working in DI system, that's the reason it is asking for DTP. So cancel the DTP. Now you can see very clearly system is proposing data source or ODS activation step also. If you want to keep this step, this process type you can keep. Otherwise, since this is generated some loading and info package time, if you don't want to use this naming convention, if you want to use a proper naming convention, then right click and remove this process type. Now you have execute IP. Then you need to insert ODS activation step. To do that, we have other process types here. Activate data store object data, new ODS object data. Double click on this one and create the variant first of all. The ODS PC. This is ODS process and then click on continue, and here you need to select data store object. And what is your data store object name, technical name? VPC underscore ODS. Select this one. That's it. Save this one and come back and insert this. Now you have ODS activation step and you have PC, you have info package and you have start condition. Select this one and select this one. Whenever you select this one to this one, it will ask the dependency. If it is successful, then only it will push further. That's the reason I am selecting successful and click on continue. Now chain is ready and check this one. Chain is coming up as OK. Then activate this one. Now it is activated and execute this one. Select and execute. Now chain is started. If you want to monitor, go and click on the log. And if you want to monitor today's job, then select today and refresh it. Now it is loading the data into info queue. If you want to monitor, you can monitor in this fashion also. Just the branch monitor. Just still active. Let me open slash go other go also. There you can see if you want to fill active job, if it is running for long time, you have option here, select that job and cancel active job. If you do like this, it is going to fill the active job. And fill the active job. This is the passion. This is the way to cancelling the active job. Let me do one more thing. Then it will turn into gray status, red status. Red status. Let me do one thing. Let me trigger the same process. Okay, you know it is taking long time. Taking time. Immediate start only. Periodic key 10 by 10. Schedule time 10 by 10. Okay. I have given periodic option as 10. Means for every 10 minutes. Whenever I execute here, it starts immediately. After that, for every 10 minutes, it is going to trigger automatically. Okay. We'll leave this one here and we'll discuss about info loading. Okay.